Hello everyone, welcome to BitMore YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change search engines in Google Chrome. You can see here, in my case I am using Microsoft Bing search engine. And I will show you how to change from Bing to Google search engine. So without further ado, let's get started. Before that, to know BitMore on everything, please subscribe my BitMore YouTube channel and turn on the notification and hit the like button for every video. Let's get started. As you are seeing here, at the top right corner, we get 3 dots. Just click on that and select the setting option, and you will find search engine option, this one. And you can see here we have one drop down menu. Just click on that. Yeah, you can see these many search engines are available. You can select any of these. Presently I am showing here how to switch to Google search engine. So I am selecting Google. Yeah, once after selecting this, just click on new tab here. And you can see our search engine has got changed. That's all. This is how we are going to change search engines in Google Chrome. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.